Hello everybody, how are you? Welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. Dear viewers, we will share creative and inspiring tips for your crocheting. Today's video is all about crochet toys for your kids. Crochet toys offer numerous benefits for children and adults alike. Here are some advantages. We will start from adults. The first advantage is the stress relief and relaxation through crochet. Creative expression and self-care, mindful meditation and focus. Sense of accomplishment and pride. Opportunity for social connection and community. Personalized gift for loved ones. Development of fine motor skills and dexterity. Improved cognitive function and memory. Emotional fulfillment and joy. Legendary crafting for future generation. Additional benefits: eco-friendly and sustainable materials, customizable and personalized toys, durable and long-lasting, promotes learning and education, encourages active play and physical activity, foster bonding and attachment, supports sensory integration and regulation, develops critical thinking and problem solving, enhances creativity and imagination, provides a sense of calm and comfort. Crochet toys offer a wide range of benefits, from children development to adult relaxation and creation expression. From now we will start the benefits specifically for children. Soft and cuddly, perfect for snuggling. Develops returning skill and empathy. Encourages imagination, play and creativity. Enhance fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. Provides sensory stimulation and tactile experience. Foster emotional intelligence and attachment. Dear viewers, if you really love to watch this video, don't forget to share and like the video so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful video. Development problem solving skills through play. Encourages storytelling and language development. Builds confidence and self-esteem. Provides comfort and reassurance. Very wonderful, very real. Here are some popular crochet toys ideas. Short toys, that's teddy bear, rabbits and monkeys. Dolls and accessories, that's cloth, hats and purses. Stuffed animals, that is lions, giraffe and elephants. Fantasy creatures, that is dragon and others also. Thank you for watching our video.